Maddie, our teacher said that we need to follow the rule of the redundancy principle when we create our projects. I think I missed the day. What is she talking about?
Really, Skylar? The redundancy principle states that written word used together with spoken word can sometimes reduce the amount of information an individual is able to take in. Still confused? Really, you should come to class more often. In multimedia situations, it is always best to follow certain rules or guidelines. It is best to use text plus graphics.
Oh, I remember. Or audio plus graphics, or even text plus audio, but never text, graphics and audio at once. I got this.
Well, that isn't always true, but we can cover that in a minute. Most learners aren't able to handle all three at once because...
Oh, I know this one. Because our brains have trouble dividing the different information into the different channels, auditory and visual. If our brains can focus on one or two,
then we are likely to take in more information.
See, I told you I'd pay attention. You have so little faith in me.
Yeah. Having to look at words and pictures together cause an overload to the visual channel, and that wouldn't happen if we only had one visual and one audio aspect.
You said earlier that there may be some instances when the redundancy principle can be broken.
Well, I am not sure broken is the right word, but yes. It is okay to use text and graphic and audio together if you are creating something where someone may have a disability. You can even avoid the principle if you are creating something for someone where the language used isn't their primary language.
You mean like the project in Spanish class? The one where we had pictures and the Spanish version of those pictures along with how to properly pronounce the words in Spanish.
Yep, I think you have it.
So then it may be okay if a project just had a couple of keywords on a screen, as long as it is not word for word the audio being used.
Yes, that would probably be okay as long as it is used in moderation.
Great. I think I have an idea for my project. I'm glad we could have this talk. I am sure both of us understand it completely now.
Geez, thanks so much.